Hey everyone, I'm Sredna and welcome back to another art tutorial video. In this one we have this beautiful lotus flower and it's just in time for spring with this beautiful bright green background. If you would like the step-by-step tutorial version, I do have that available in my Etsy shop. You can choose the video only or you can get the video along with the supply kit. The supply kit will have your brushes, it'll have the colors, and I will sketch this for you onto watercolor paper so you can just jump right in and start painting. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this one and happy painting. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This is the Lotus 2 art tutorial. I'm Sredna, a nature and fantasy artist, and I like to make YouTube videos on painting. I have an Etsy shop too that has art supply kits as well as prints. And I also do fairs in the summer, so I am all about the arts. So in this one, we're going to start off with our masking tape, and I like to use this tape because it doesn't stick to the paper too much, so you can just remove it at the end and there should be no issues. Painter's tape will work just as nicely for this kind of thing. And I like to tape it because it gives our painting a nice border as we're going around. And it will also help our page to stick to the this board a little better, because when we're doing watercolors sometimes the paper will buckle and lift up a little bit, so this will help keep it down for us. And there's a lot of planes where I live, so occasionally we might get a little helicopter or some other kind of thing, but luckily there's no, who's that group? It's like Blue Angels or Diamonds that they have those jets that go super fast. And actually during the summertime we get those, and those are so freaking loud. But not today. I probably would not record on that kind of day. But let me see, I'll just get my brushes. So I've got the number 2 round brush, Princeton Heritage, and the same brand in a number 8, also around. And these two will be just fine to get us through all of this. So we'll use the bigger one to fill in the background and also apply some of the base colors all around, and then we'll go in with the detail brush and make some adjustments near the end. So we'll get our larger brush, and I am gonna get some of this water and put it on to the background.